When you purchase your new Suzuki outboard, you have a bit of choice about how you set up your dashboard and the gauges you use to display the information. In this boat, we've used Suzuki multifunction display 7-inch screens, and they're available in a number of different sizes. The most common digital option is the Suzuki MFG4, which is a 4-inch multifunction display, and we'll go into the details of that a little bit further. They also, if you want to be old school, you can stick with your analog style gauges. So this is our most popular option if you want to see digital information in your boat. So this is our Suzuki MFG4, or a 4-inch multifunction gauge. Now on this page at the moment we have what we call our all page. So it's showing your tacho, your speedo, your trim indicator, your gear selector, the temperature of the engine. It has fuel economy, and obviously that only triggers when we're moving, and also a clock option as well. If you use the set button, you change through to what is an RPM page or a rev page. So you're still seeing your tacho at the top there, and then by using the center buttons you can scroll through a number of options at the bottom, and they will show you fuel economy, fuel used, fuel flow, voltage, and all that. And then if you scroll one more time, you get a speed only page, and again you've got all your trip functions down the bottom with GPS position, fuel used, and things like that. Now, for instance here, we want to show you the trip setting. So that's recorded our last trip where we went out and we did 97.4 kilometers of fishing. Now to reset that, all you need to do is hold the up or down button for 3 seconds. You'll hear a beep and then it zeroes it. So that resets your fuel used and your trip meter for those trips, and you're back ready to go.